So I'm house sitting at a house, and there's two kittens and one older cat. The older cat is named Jonesy, and the little kittens are named Pumpkin and Arrow. Well, Jonesy was chasing the kittens, or the kittens were chasing Jonesy, and they're playing and having a great time. And then Jonesy starts talking to him, and I'm like trying to watch my show, but I keep hearing this weird noise coming out of the cat. So when I go look, the cat is just sitting there talking, like making weird cat noises at the kittens, and it was hilarious.